Mama Kwaba, make sure subscribe your channel no dey mind na friends no. When me notification bell no so ede aka ye homedin ede catch akwasi ye boa.
Security Minister Kasa. Na National Security Minister metie enwumere ne wo Joy. Ye born ni wiye ne ye frɛ Professor Gyampo Godon. Na behwe
party esi atechim.
Behwe na minim
sex offender.
National Security Minister asɛm ɔkan no Professor Gyampo ɛka saa nkrofo ne ho. Nti na no ana akoma tie si ne so a kese anko wo studio ho kranke bi ɔka ho ne ma nyina guye. Na National Security Minister asɛm be na ɔka. Ɔsɛ baabi a yaba bedu sɛ ɔman no enipa bi wɔ academia nim. Ebi eye media personalities. Ena ebi nsusu ye social media activists. Ebi ye civil society organizations. Ena omatimi anya some level of following. Na sa following no omanya no. Omo following no threaten the security of the state. Enti ebinom instigate mebu no any soldier force omunye coup.
Which is true.
Which is true. National Media Commission Etimia describing a radio station Oria FM say a megaphone of war.
Yes.
Ama make say Captain Smart omotoye den etwe nanim. Na abranche yi gina court o face treason fellow ni mebo Oliver Vermo. Anya civil society not here. Face my country, face the country. And all use and in academia Professor Gyampo num omokasa nyina da bia inciting nipa antiaban inciting hatred in the heart of Ghanaians any info but now you be kan ha say abusama 3 weeks or a month ago NDC fo akwako sia frefre and central phone bi asa frefre bloggers any makwako sia omma binum 30,000 omma binum 50,000 omma binum 100,000 omo wie no omo say share musicians any actors omo say share binum binum 100,000 binum 200,000 and all they want them to go and do they say omo call social media so enkoye comments etia Dr. Bawumia na etia NPP party any aban and it say social media no so obehu bloggers ebinu wonu krabusa he pass message na ka mu buma na pa me expect san ko be kasa asemu but they are doing it
Nigeria who's country yeah
60,000 yes I 60,000 80,000 obu wie no be kan ye say I know them esremo na what you ready the mayor ni the police
yeah I'm just seeing them na ma kwaji who's power
and you to for kroma say ebi akwaji 200,000 ya kwaji 300,000 ebi aji 100,000 say yemra public space eme make comment about bino eluki bias in the eyes of Ghanaians. And National Security Minister caution say sadia na air cost do have ba me say Professor Gyampo kese said the one na obudue so na to ayampia any ade no na a very unfortunate.
That was Ghana Hana will be a sex offender. Yeah, nice. You said that Naka elsewhere will be a sex offender. It is difficult for that person to occupy any public office. Sex offense. I will on my own year be a common that be but Ghana na ye never be a good so my member can the power voice important.
Member honorable can the power voice, the National Security Minister, member the voice in the mouth.
More disconcerting trend is also emerging, notably following the coup in Niger. Certain individuals in academia, civil society, and the media, you must have observed, have been propagating false narratives in support of a coup or military rule. These actors have gained substantial followings on social media, leveraging their influence to disseminate misinformation that threatens our nation's peace and also stability, especially as we approach the critical December 2024 general elections. This is a matter of serious concern and must not only be a matter of concern to the security operatives, but I think to all of us in the country. Misinformation, whether intentional or inadvertent, from these individuals because they are influential, poses a significant threat to Ghana's stability. Baseless political commentary undermines public confidence in vital institutions. Loss of confidence in vital vital institutions like the Electoral Commission and the judiciary can be very dangerous, and potentially they can steer our country towards a perilous path. And I think beyond the erosion of public trust in the institutions of state, which then culminates in public cynicism and skepticism, disinformation also creates a misinformed public whose decisions on policies and elections are influenced by false narratives, a development that also goes to undermine democratic processes. And to put it in a better perspective, disinformation can influence voters, can influence them to make decisions which are inconsistent with their best interests. And this could include the election of a bad leader and opting for a bad public policy.
All right, so Honorable Kandapa and Martin Kanu are saying, yeah, Kotwaba. And the purpose of a unit say, you're running down state institutions, say Electoral Commission and Judiciary, they more looking bad. Now, sir, influence me, I'm a bad leader, I am on my Ghana. And you see, a pa and a NDC for Abuni Panibi, and to be a central for. It be a ordinary a youth activist. It be a civil society organization. It be academia. And to try to be a which me the interview. You friend obi. You to meet radio obi. You afro be a say or a professor or a doctor. You see a invite a interview on a certain subject. Now what you need panel someone cannot be such a. Na nipa wakos kubi.
And o kasasa no.
To send the Supreme Court judges ni bisa question why it say also try there with him fan. And our address say as all quite for mono. And you to meet any panel to say, and the professor idea, meaning maybe your common professor, and a doctor, meaning because of say, Yama, any pay before say, may work following, you will need pay the matching, and he may make it can somewhere be my buying way. A bit dear, be no more honor, go on as well. Now, I'm going to do a bang moment.
And Tian said,
no one yet be no pebia young farmer. No,
they are come for Tian, no cook pie.
Professor Bako, or start to walk casa, or start to walk casada as a break. What you say, just say, ask or ten Kufuadran. You get more, send you see a man consultancy contract, and you see a yes, consultancy, no, your consultancy will be baby, and I'm saying the service say here be Mutia, did a movie. Now, send me pay a friend or telephone so near say, Professor, has some machine the dinner for his wife. I say, be a Kufuadra generate. I said, that will be a generate. Because of the consultancy contract, now one I'll be Ghana year away to one I'll be
when a consultancy contract more than 4 years. Obi, the castle 1 week will be on your yes, I say, Nana, any probably baby.
Back also no Electoral Commission. If I go maybe only the professors. Now back on no Electoral Commission chairperson. And now a year na Anfa and what the president could do.
I to thank Club. As a mayor word, you must no sort of tenua,
but one child, no one child, they were Ghana, but a professor. Back also a professor. Or those no person create one Electoral Commission. And now, made the way the Mekaba, Mana, Yedekoma, Dr. Bosman.
And I send the diamond.
Any power in Nigeria that I was the same department.
I know your head of department.
Or your head of department. Who saw the man what to tell? What try some but tells, hey, I don't know what trouble. Hey, I don't know what trouble. Is that how we relate to people?
Yes,
that will say be paid, yes, sir. When you will be saying, Yana, never be hobby, it's becoming about one. It was about what you why you watch. Yeah, the best thing is to call the person or go to the person and say, oh, me know Dr. Bosman Asari. Me know na we University of Ghana in the political science department. I did read the Electoral Commission. Me did say Musha, and I see our Kasa CDC. All of a sudden, we're going to say Buakwa.
I tell you,
I tell you, we didn't tell some four. I will read you. I said, why? That room about a young of what time on
Anya boni bia.
And your personal interest to them. President for to unsatisfy I'm not talking about the interest of the state too. Personal interest. Hey, I don't know. Sabi to me say you this you when you are. You did a petition when you are. But have you come?
Hey, that aqua Kofori your send so say Professor Gyampo die, odi atemi odi atema pe running mate of your mama.